कोविड पातळत चल्ला. लोक भायर सरपाक भियेतात. वेंचणुको लागीं पावल्यात. समाजातल्या सगळ्या घटकां खातीर ऑनलायन वोटिंगाची तरतूद कित्याक करची न्हय? एक नागरीक ह्या नात्यान ॲडव्होकेट हर्षा नायकान एक नवी संकल्पना वेंचणूक आयोगा मुखार दवरल्या. कोविडाचे वाडटे फाटभुंयेर नवे SOP आनी निर्बंध आयल्यात. फुडें ते खर जावं येतात. वेंचणूक ही लोकशाय घटमूट करपी प्रक्रिया. ती त्रास आनी तणावा विणे जावप गरजेचें अशें एक मतदार ह्या नात्यान ॲडव्होकेट हर्षा नायकाक दिसता. कोविडाच्या काळात येवपी मतदाना वेळार रिस्कय नाका आनी वेंचणुके कडेन आडनदरे नाका अशें तिचें म्हणणें.
My personal opinion and my personal view is that why not to have the online voting process. I think this would be a really fantastic idea for each and everyone. First and foremost, this idea came to me because after going through other states, it's not at the national level or something, even at the international level, this idea was taken into considerations. So why not to have this sort of idea of online voting, and especially during this pandemic situations. I think this will be really helpful to each and every person.
मतदानाची ऑनलायन तरतूद केली वा प्रत्यक्ष मतदानाबरोबर घरा बसूनच ऑनलायन मतदान करपाची व्यवस्था केली जाल्यार ताचो सगळ्यांकच फायदो जातलो, खास करून जाणट्यांक. ते भायर मनीसबळ, स्टेशनरी आनी हेर खर्चे वाटावतलो अशें हर्षाक दिसता. आयकात.
Whether it is for each and every person, considering the financial aspect, considering the manpower, considering the other stationary things which is required, I think this will be really, it would be a very the easy mode, okay, and the convenient and comfortable thing to everyone, including you can say the ladies, the women, the senior citizens, especially the senior citizens, okay, and even the youngsters. And considering all this pandemic thing, till date we are we are suffering from all these pandemic situations and all, and there is a fear factor, there is a risk which has been involved. The mechanism would be like to have to start with this online portals thing, about the voting process. So I think that will take time, and the government has to take that initiative of at least starting this process. We can just try how it works, how it goes about, okay, or if not, even the offline and online, both the things can be made use of at the same time. It's an appeal to the election commission, and also to the government bodies and government authorities, and also to the government, that please try to imbibe this online voting system.
गोवा 365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिक्स.